This problem is about graphing on the polar graph, and so I'm going to probably spend more time than people might expect. This is 10.3, number 3. I can make this real quick, but I kind of want to show the process for it. So we have values that we know that are pretty standard values that we work with, like 0, 30, 60, 45, 90, and so on, or pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3. So here's 0. This will be 30 degrees because we're dealing with degrees here. Also pi over 6, so if you're curious. Here's 45 degrees, also pi over 4. Here is 60 degrees, also pi over 6, pi over 3, excuse me. Here's pi over 2, which is 90 degrees. And then this is where it gets more interesting. 120 degrees. And that would be 2 pi over 3. And then we're at 135 degrees for this one here, which is 3 pi over 4. And then we're at 150 degrees, also 5 pi over 6. And then we're at 180 degrees, also pi. I'm going to go ahead and finish naming these off, and the graphing part's pretty quick. So then we come down here. We're at 210 degrees, or 7 pi over 6. And then we're at 225 degrees, or 5 pi over 4. And then we are at 240 degrees, or 4 pi over 3. We're at 270 degrees here, or 3 pi over 2. Then we're at 300 degrees here, or 5 pi over 3. And then we're at 315 degrees here, or 7 pi over 4. And then we're at 330 degrees here, or 11 pi over 6. And then this would also be 360 degrees, which is 2 pi. So what the problem here is asking about is 150 degrees. So that means it's going to be along this line here. But the key to it is that it's a -3. So positive 3 would be in this direction, 1, 2, 3. The negative goes on the other side of this here. This point's called the pole. So it's going to be this direction, 1, 2, 3. And that's why it's right there. So that's the answer. Okay, I hope that clears things up. If you have questions, please let me know.